guys, welcome back to our Python course. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how do we install our Python program and write our first Hello World program in Python. First thing is, let's open our browser for us to download our application. So I have here the browser. You just simply type here python.org. It will redirect us to our Python page here. Then what I would like you to do is to select here downloads. Now, Python has already detected the type of operating system that I'm using. So I have here Mac OS. The current version as of this time of recording is version 3.7.4. If in case this one is new, you could still download the version here. All you need to do is to click this one and it will automatically download the application for us. But if you're running on a different platform, you could either choose here Windows, Linux, or Unix operating system. Now I have downloaded already the program, so I'll go to my Finder here and then select my download folders. So I have here downloaded the Python 3.7.4 package. Now all you need to do is to install it. So double click on the file. Now in Windows, all you need to do is to open the installer and then proceed it with just pressing next. Okay. Now let's start to install here the Python for Mac OS. Just click here continue, continue again, and then if you want to read the licensing agreement, if not, you just click here continue, then agree. And then here we'll be asked to install where the program and how much space it will take. It's about 108 MB. Just click here install, and then it will ask for our password. Now this is in Mac. I don't for Windows I don't think it will be asking us for any passwords here. Just click here the password and it will already install as the program. So the installation will take about 2 to 3 minutes depending on the speed of your computer. But in my case, it's taking about a minute or so. So let's try to wait. Okay. So it's finalizing now. Setup is finished. All you need to do is to click here close and we're good to go. Now next is, let's open up our IDE program in the Python. So in my case, I have here my Launchpad, and then it installed this particular IDLE program. This is where we're going to write most of our codes here. Now, when we open that particular program, that idle program, it launches our Python 3.7.4 shell. So this shell here would allow us to type in our commands and Python will interpret it, okay? Since this is just an interpreter. Okay, now let's write our first Hello World program. But before that, let's try to compare it with C. Now I've opened my browser here and I'm going to search for an online compiler. So I have here an online compiler for C++. Hope that you have worked on C++ or if not in Java, but the concept is the same. Okay. Here is this is my C++. So what do we have here? First thing is that we have our preprocessor. We have using namespace std for us to standardize our code. We have int main, wherein this is our main function. Open and close curly braces, and cout hello world. Cout is a function that allows us to print text on the screen. So when we run our code here, and then let's move this output window, the output is hello world. So that is how we write hello world program in C++. Now let's go back to our IDE and let's write our, I'm now in the Python shell, and let's print out our hello world. All you need to do is to type here the command print followed by open and close parentheses and then hello world. Then press enter. This is our output. You don't need to initialize your preprocessor. You don't need to put semicolons here. This is how you print hello world. You could also have it like this: print open parenthesis single quote hello world. Okay? Could also make use of a single quote here aside from using double quotations. So just press enter and that's it. Okay? Now, this is our IDE, and then later I'm going to discuss other functionalities of our Python program. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.